Good morning, feed time, Maxi boy. Oh, wow. You hungry? Feed time. Yeah. Good boy. Yummy? Carrots, squash, kibbles, 2 eggs, ground turkey, and what's that? Processed, just like a sausage dog food. Yummy! Tummy full na naman ang magsignaboy na yan.